Hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel Level Up Learning. In last video we saw past tense using primary verb. Today we are going to learn past tense using action verb. Now the action verb which is used in past tense is the second verb. For example, come, came, come. So I will be using came as a main verb to talk about past tense. But here in past tense we use both the verbs. For positive sentence we use the second verb, and to create a negative statement we use the first verb. For example, I want to say I went to the market. So in negative statement I'll say I didn't go to the market. So whenever you're using did and not, because did is already a past tense, so we cannot use two past tense verb together. So whenever I use did to create a negative statement or did to create a question, I will use first verb. So the example goes subject plus did plus not plus first verb and the object. This is a formula for your negative statement. Now again you have to remember these things. Why? Because whenever you are creating a sentence using an irregular verb, there all the verbs change. For example, eat, ate, eaten. I ate pizza, positive. Negative will become I didn't eat pizza. So need to understand that past tense will have both the verbs, second verb and the first verb. In a positive statement, second verb. In a negative statement, first verb. Thank you. Keep watching.